Hi, I'm Joel Baldwin and I'm on the Level 7 Apprenticeship for Statisticians at UCB. I first became interested in going into the pharmaceutical industry in statistics when I was doing a medical statistics module in my final year at university. Though when I started to think about a career in that sphere, I found out that you basically need, or is viewed as a common requirement, to have a master's with heavy statistical content. And I was in the final year of my integrated master's, which was not with heavy statistical content. So the opportunity to have a master's funded was a really great one. And so that's why I chose to go for the apprenticeship option. Apart from having the master's funded, I also don't have high pressure in this learning environment. I'm expected not to know everything, which allows me to learn from others who are more experienced, and I can come in at a lower level. But it also means I can just come into the industry quicker than I could have otherwise. For the majority of my week, I'm working at UCB and I'm working at launch statistics. So that's post-approval for kind of things to do with cost benefit and the such like. But apart from that, I also, on Tuesday mornings, I have live lectures at UCL, and also on Fridays, I watch pre-recorded lectures as a general pattern. I want to successfully complete my MSc qualification, but after that, I'm not certain, but I am considering a career in the sphere of medical statistics.